Alright, this is going to be my daily driver for the next 2 months. Sold my Saturn Ion, 2005 Toyota Corolla. This is my mom's car. I put in a K&N filter about 8 years ago and I never cleaned it. So I've been driving this around and I'm averaging around 28.5 miles per gallon. Every time my mom goes on vacation, I use this car because it's economical, and it used to get 30s, so I'm wondering if it's the filter that needs to be cleaned. I mean, 8 years is a long time. I mean, it looks dirty. I did like turn it around before. See, I turned it around like that, but yeah, it probably needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna do that right now. Hopefully get into the 30s. Here's 8 years of K&N filter not being cleaned. You could still see screen. But yeah, definitely really dirty. So let's clean. Okay, to clean this up, spray both sides with the cleaner and then let it soak for 10 minutes. That's a neighbor's dog barking. Okay, puppy, we'll be okay. Okay, let it soak for 10 minutes, then hose it off. Okay, about to rinse this filter out. So you're spraying the clean side. That's pretty dirty. So spraying the clean side to force the dirt out. Alright, let me do this off camera. Okay, all cleaned up. Now I'm just gonna let it sit in the sun for about an hour, then put the K&N oil in. So I looked up air filters for this car. Cheapest one's $14. Most expensive one is $25. Of the paper filters, this one's cost me I think $45. So if you change your filter every 2 years, I haven't cleaned this one in 8. So this one's been around for 8 years already. But if you change your filter every 2 years at $14, then it about breaks even, because you still have to buy the cleaning kit. But the cleaning kit's good for like 5 different filter cleans. So yeah, you're about breaking even. Do you save fuel? Questionable. Do you add horsepower? Maybe 1. Yeah, I mean, this is good if you're a environmentalist, because this will last the life of the car. It looks brand new. It has a 1 million mile warranty, so yeah, looking at it being 8 years old, it will definitely last the life of the car, and maybe 5 to 10 filters not ending up in the landfill. Okay, let this dry off and we'll finish. Okay, last step, spray it with the K&N oil, both sides. Okay, all done. I'm going to wipe this down and then just leave it in the sun for a couple hours. Put it back in when I'm ready to go to work. So, K&N, controversial company. A lot of people in the forums like to say it ruins MAF sensors. I say if you over oil it, then don't let the oil, dry up. Dry up as much as possible. If you just saturate it and throw it in your car, it might ruin your MAF sensor. But I've never had problems with K&N filters. It's like I said, it'll last a long time, so I like that. And you might gain a little fuel economy and maybe a horsepower, but I like them. It's an American-made company, and I like to support American workers. So leave in the comments, K&N, yay or nay.